Good morning. Forest in Sevierville with docks and decks. It's a big dock that we've put in with an aluminum roof. It's actually a really nice dock. There's a boat lift in here, a couple of jet ski ports. This is all the composite decking. Today, there was some really high water. It runs all the way along this bank here up to where you can see this dirt line all the way around the house. It actually got up into his electric and above his landing here, and it has pulled out of the ground. So we're going to attempt to reset this a few feet back and repin it. So we've got to disconnect it, dig some more holes, put some more cement and wood in here. It's going to be a job. Probably going to be a hot one again. So this actually turned out to be a really nice dock. We also refaced some steps over there with composite, just a walk down. And we put them a big toy box on here. Take a look at some of this. Just hook that off the side of it. Ladder. This was quite a job, actually. This has got some tie downs on this side to hold it in the water here. You can see it's tied off on the bank on both sides as well. We had some issues with this boat lift, lakeboatlifts.com. They've sent us a new box. We've already replaced this box here. We thought there was some compression issues. We think there might be a bust in one of the floats. The problem is it's raising most of the way up on one side, but then the front or the back will start to lose lift, and it'll start to go back down. So we're not sure if there's a hole in the float from where it sits in the dirt when the water goes down, but we're still trying to solve that one. All right, have a good day.